Kim Jo says, like, how much of portfolio should we put in a risky low cap? Well, good question, but that's the wrong way of thinking of it, right? Because to me, a low cap is not risky if you have done the research and the code review is good. For example, if a low cap gets a grade over 80%, to me that's on Token Metrics. To me, that's not risky. The fact that you've gone through and done actual analysis on the code to find out that it's legit means that it's not you have, in essence, de-risked the investment, right? So in terms of, is this a scam, right? Yes or no? If you go through and see the actual code on GitHub, you can know, okay, this is not a scam, right? This is like a legit project. And the fact that we go through so many projects and we have a framework of going through them, we know, okay, what projects are good, which ones are bad, based purely on the tech, right? So to me, low risk, low cap does not exist. I mean, anything that does not get a good score is low risk, is probably a better way to phrase it, right? Anything that scores high is not risky at all, right? That's basically finding a project that's undervalued, right? There might be risks in terms of, in the past, there was a risk in terms of having no liquidity or no exchange listing. But now with DeFi, with DEXs, with Uniswap, with 1inch Exchange, now all these projects can launch and have liquidity, right? And then also add on yield farming, which gives people an incentive to add liquidity, right? It's not low risk. The risk maybe in terms of liquidity risk would be if you aren't really paying attention to slippage, right? That's the risk. But if you just go to 1inch Exchange or Uniswap and don't buy anything where the slippage is over 10%, you're good. You're good.